Welcome to my channel. It's Mine with Miss Wagashi TV. Today I will teach you how to make Japanese wagashi sweets with a strawberry and milk flavored filling. These treats are perfect for upcoming Mother's Day or any other special occasions. Let's get started. I will start with the strawberry filling. First, I'm going to cut the semi-dried strawberries into small pieces. You can use dried fruits and berries instead of strawberry. Add the strawberry and the condensed milk to the white bean paste and mix well until combined. Round them into balls. Now I will make a pink dough for the outer skin of rolls. For the dough recipe, please go to the link in the description. Add a little red or pink food coloring to the dough and knead it until the color is uniform. Let's make a green dough by adding a small amount of matcha powder or food coloring to the dough. The green dough will be used to create a leaf. Now, let's do the wrapping and the shaping. Take a white dough and flatten into a disc. Place the pink ball on the white dough and wrap the white around the pink. Then, flatten the dough and wrap the strawberry filling in the dough. Roll into a ball and make the surface smooth. With the palms, roll the bottom half of the dough into a cone shape. Take a teaspoon and create petals on the surface. Take a small amount of green dough and create a small leaf. Shape it into a leaf shape if you don't have a small cutter. Decorate the rose with a leaf on top. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV. See you in my next video. Bye bye.